Heather Pelant, iShares modified its Core Allocation ETFs earlier this month.
Yes.
These are ETFs of ETFs.
Yes.
What was behind the change?
We heard very loud and clear that investors were looking for a low-cost, all one-stop shop to get an allocation based upon a risk parameter.
All right,
Yeah.
let's talk about the four ETFs within this allocation series. One is the AOK. That's a great ticker. This is the conservative allocation.
Yes.
What's in it and who should own it?
Yeah, so across the four spectrum, what we did is working with S&P, they're fixed weights, so it goes the spectrum from the most conservative to the most aggressive. So the one you're talking about, the conservative one, is going to be much more skewed towards bonds. So we'll have 30% in stock, 70% in bonds. You know, I see that as somebody for whom they need the money near term. They're probably a little bit more conservative. I think about that in somebody potentially in retirement. So that's what that fund would be really good for.
Next is the moderate. This is the AOM. So tell me what's moderate now, because you're seeing bonds trade at very rich levels.
Yeah, well, that one again is reflective. I think of it as quite moderate in terms of it reflects more of a 40-60 blend. So 60% is going to be in bonds, and of the bonds, diversified across the U.S. So core bonds, investment grade, and then treasuries. So
All right.
Across the spectrum.
Next is growth. This is the AOR.
Yes.
Now, tell me, should you trade this ETF? Because if you want to have, something in a core allocation, you can just leave it there forever. You can just buy the mutual fund.
Yeah.
But these are ETFs.
Yeah, well, at priced at around 1/4%, these cost 25 basis points. They're truly designed to be long-term buy and hold, and that would be somebody who I think about the aggressive AOA being something I would use for my daughter's account. 20-year time horizon, we can ride through lots of markets, 80-20 mix, 80% stocks, 20% bonds, perfect for the long term.
So there's the conservative, moderate, growth,
And
aggressive.
Yes.
All right, thanks a lot for coming on and talking about them, Heather Pelant.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching The Street.